Introduction. The traditional attire in Sikkim traces its historical emergence centuries back when it was ruled by the dynasty of Bhutia Namgyal. It was during his era that this Sikkim traditional attire was promoted and embraced by the elite classes of the Sikkimese society. This outfit brought status, class, and position among the communities, which kept them apart from the rest.
Dumvum or Dumdyan. One of the Sikkim traditional costumes of Lepcha women is called Dumvum or Dumdyan. It is an ankle-long costume and is worn like a traditional sari, which binds comfort and culture together. While the calf-length bottom of the Thokro Dum indicates their life in a marshy land, the flowy Dumvum suggests that they are dry land inhabitants. Bhaku. The main costume donned by Bhutias is the Bhaku, according to the Nepalese dialect, or Kho, according to the Bhutia dialect, worn by men and women alike. Bhaku is very similar to the Tibetan Chuba, except that it is sleeveless. It is a loose cloak like Ga, which is tied at the neck and tightened around the waist by a belt made of silk or cotton. Women wear a silken full-sleeve blouse called a honju inside the kho, a loose gown-type garment fastened near the waist, tightened with a belt. Married women tie a multicolored striped apron of woolen cloth called pangdan around their waist. Male members wear a loose trouser under the kho. The traditional outfit is completed by embroidered leather boots by men and women.
The Thokro Dum is the primary outfit for the Lepcha community members. It consists of a white pajama stretching up to the calves, almost resembling a karate player's outfit. A multicolored hand-woven cloth is pinned at one shoulder and held in place by a waistband. The short length of the pajama indicates that the men have originated from or lived long in marshy land. The texture of the material is rough and long-lasting. Shurval is one of the national outfit of Nepalese men. It is a variant of the kurta and the upper garment. The shurval is the trouser. The coat was added to the costume by Jang Bahadur Rana, a prime minister of Nepal in the 19th century. The outfit is also popular in Darjeeling, in neighboring India, amongst people of Nepali origin. It is a long double-breasted garment, flows below the waist along with the trouser. They also carry a heavy weapon in a leather case known as dab.
Augmented, the grace of Nepalese women. The traditional attire called faria is available in a variety of different hues. Like in the case of the Bhutias, a long loose blouse fastened on four sides is worn, standing true to its name, Chaubandi Cholo. For extra coverage, the upper body is wrapped elegantly with a piece of cloth that comes in beautiful prints, known as Membari. Bajetro shawl is also used by them. In addition to the faria, Nepalese women wear a piece of colorful cloth suspended from head to waist while dancing. It is called pachori. Folk dancers generally wear this piece of cloth during dance performances.
Clothing of Sikkim shows the cultural and social lifestyle of major communities like Nepalis, Bhutias, and Lepchas. There are different types of costumes worn by these three communities that further divided into a wide variety. Many people have settled in the state from other parts of India like Punjabis, Marwadis, Bengalis, Bihari, and South Indians. They have their own traditional to wear clothing. Lepchas are the real inhabitants of the state who flaunt several costumes with splendid colors.